works very smoothly in Ho Chi Minh City. The connection is not disconnected and the speed is fast. The network speed is very good. The actual measurement of 5G is over 500 m. As long as the signal is slightly weak indoors. The speed was always comfortable and I'll use it again. While the Thai SIM card requires Wi-Fi at the airport, this one was installed without any issues. I was able to complete the installation on the plane after landing in Da Nang, before entering the terminal. Used it in Ho Chi Minh City. I was able to use 5G, sometimes it even worked, right from the airport. I've used pocket Wi-Fi every time I travel abroad, but this was my first time using eSIM. I was impressed by the low price. I purchased and registered it in advance, and it was ready to use with a single click as soon as I landed in Hanoi. It was incredibly convenient. I didn't have to run around the airport to return it upon my return, I just deleted it on the plane. Next time I travel abroad, I'll definitely use eSIM. I was worried about whether it would work properly, but it connected smoothly and was great. Wonderful memories. The eSIM network was smooth during the city tour. Although the network was a little slow in Halong Bay, it did not affect the quality of the trip. I will buy it again if I have the chance. Thank you. It starts working right after landing, the speed is super fast, and the Hong Kong commercial roaming signal does not hinder the use of AI. I was a bit nervous because a lot of the specifications had changed since I was abroad since the COVID-19 outbreak. It was a pain to change the SIM before, but I was able to connect and use it right away. Applying for a temporary eSIM for Vietnam internet for 5 days only costs over 200 Taiwan dollars. It's cheap and fast, and the internet is super convenient and unimpeded. Group tour, smooth internet connection, highly recommended. Group tour, smooth internet connection, highly recommended. Except for the poor signal at Hanoi Airport, everything else was normal.